Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a Christmas tree body and hand lotion. So this stuff is gorgeous. I've formulated it to be quite lightweight, but really rich in humectants and soothing ingredients, so it's perfect for winter skin. Our water phase has both glycerine and Propanediol 1,3 in it, and they're both great humectants, so they help keep our skin moisturized. And then I've also included some colloidal oats and some panthenol or vitamin B5 for all kinds of skin soothing goodness. So it's fantastic if your skin gets really unhappy and dry in the winter. Our oil phase is quite small, so I've included a pretty decent amount of cetearyl alcohol so that the lotion still has a nice, rich consistency as opposed to being sort of on the thinner, drooly side. Our cool down phase features some more soothing ingredients in the form of some calendula extract, and then I've included some Penstia powder, which really makes all your lotions better. It is, it's kind of like cheating. You put a little bit of that in a lotion and it is so much better, just so easily. It's an absolutely gorgeous add-in. And then for scent, you can use either a fragrance oil or an essential oil blend. I've included information about both of those options in the blog post, so if you go down to the description box below this video and click through to the blog post that accompanies this video, you'll find lots more information, so information on essential oils and fragrance oil options, but also on scaling, substitutions, shelf life, and links to buy all of the ingredients. But come on, let's get started. We're going to begin by combining the ingredients for our water phase and our oil phase in two separate heat-resistant glass measuring cups. So in this measuring cup, there's already 85.5 grams of distilled water. And to that, I'm going to add 2.2 grams of Propanediol 1,3, 2.2 grams vegetable glycerin, 2.2 grams panthenol or vitamin B5, and 1.1 grams colloidal oats. To our second measuring cup, we're going to put 2.75 grams Polawax, 3.3 grams cetearyl alcohol, and 4.95 grams abyssinian oil. Now we're going to weigh our water phase and write down that weight. We do that so we can replace the water lost to heat and hold after the heat and hold is over. And then we have our water bath here. So this is a wide flat bottom saute pan with about 1 inch or 3 centimeters of water in the bottom of it. And I'm going to put both of our phases in here and go put this on the stovetop for about half an hour to melt everything through. After half an hour, you can remove your water bath from the heat and remove your measuring cups from the water bath, and we're done with our water bath now. So first order of business is topping off the water phase with some more preheated distilled water. Give that a stir and pour it into our oil phase. Now we're ready to start blending. So you want to grab your immersion blender, and we're going to start with short bursts and work our way up to a full blend and blend for about 2 minutes. Okay, so we have done about 2 minutes of blending there, and as you can see, this is still super liquidy and it's still really hot. So I'm just going to leave this to cool for about 10 minutes and then we'll come back and blend it some more. All right, it has been 10 minutes. This is starting to gain a bit of viscosity, which is great. And we'll just give this another thorough blending. All right, so that's pretty well blended, but it is still quite warm, so I'm going to leave it to cool a little bit more before we add our cool down phase. It's been another 10 minutes. This is looking gorgeous, and it's about the right temperature for adding our cool down phase, so let's get that measured out. So for our cool down phase, we're going to weigh it into this small beaker using this more accurate scale since we're dealing with much smaller measurements. And then we'll mix a bit of the lotion into the cool down phase and then mix it all back in. So to start with, we need 0.55 grams of liquid germall plus, 0.05 grams vitamin E, 0.275 grams benzoin resinoid, 0.55 grams fir needle essential oil, 3.3 grams of Penstia powder, and 1.1 grams calendula extract. So for packaging, I have a 4 ounce or approximately 120 milliliter tottle here, and I'm going to fill it using a syringe rather than a funnel. I kind of find it to be a little bit easier. And there you go. You just made a gorgeous Christmas tree body lotion. Do a little bit of a application swatch here. Just disappears into the skin, and really lovely, really light and super hydrating with all those humectants. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and do remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to find this post on my blog, where you'll find the full recipe written out and information about substitutions, scaling, shelf life, where to buy all the ingredients, and a whole lot more. But thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.